With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Now the question over here is saying that metallurgy of Fe, that is iron, is carried in blast furnace. Blast furnace is divided into following zones. So the following zones are combustion zones, fusion zone, reduction zone, preheating zone. So these are the four zones in which the blast furnace is divided. Now the main question is asking that slag formation is important because, so we have to tell why the slag formation is important. So first of all, let us understand how slag is formed in the metallurgy of iron and what are its importance. So let me write slag formation in metallurgy of iron. So slag is nothing but it is basically impurities, and it is basically impurity of, let me write, impurity of silicates, basically silicates, aminosilicates, which are commercially unimportant. So this is the impurities of silicates, aminosilicates and other impurities which are commercially unimportant. Basically, let me also write the reaction for better clarity of how slag is formed. So we have calcium oxide reacting with silicon dioxide. So this silicon dioxide over here is the impurity of silicates. Calcium oxide, we know that in the middle region of blast furnace, the calcium carbonate is being decomposed and it converts to calcium oxide. Basically, calcium oxide has been released because we know that calcium carbonate is an impurity and it has been removed in the process of this blast furnace in the metallurgy of iron. So over there, the calcium carbonate gets converted to calcium oxide. So that is where from this carbon oxide is coming, and silicon dioxide is the impurity. So these both things react to give us CaSiO3, and this CaSiO3 is known as slag. So this comes down in the molten form, in the form of slag, and is collected at the last stage. So this is our slag. So first point we have discussed that this is our impurity. Secondly, as I said, that it is in molten form and is collected at the last stage. So it actually prevents the contact of molten matter and air. So let me write, the second advantage is that it prevents contact of molten metal and air, because we know that if the molten metal comes in contact of air, then it will get oxidized, because air has oxygen in it, so it will oxidize the molten metal. Hence there will be no point of doing the entire process of blast furnace. This will be a total waste, because if the iron gets oxide, it will convert to FeO, that is iron oxide. Because the desired product that we want to get after blast furnace was the iron metal itself and not the oxides of iron. So this whole process will be wasted. So that is how this basically this slag prevents the molten metal in coming in contact with the air. So these are the two functions of slag, and this is how it is formed. Now let us check the options. So option 1 says that it helps to remove impurities from molten metal. So yes, it is correct. We just now saw that this SiO2 is impurity and it has been removed by the formation of slag. So option 1 is definitely correct. Let us also look at the other options and see what they are saying. So second option says that it prevents contact of molten metal and air. So we just now discussed that it prevents the contact of molten metal and air. So this option is also correct. The third option is that it helps remove volatile impurity. So this is incorrect. There is no such function of slag that it removes volatile impurities. In fact, it takes place at very high temperature, that is at molten form. We just now discussed that it prevents molten metal and it is at molten phase itself. So it cannot be it cannot help us help remove volatile impurities because it is functioning at so high temperatures. So this is incorrect. Last option is both 1 and 2. So yes, both 1 and 2 options are correct. Hence, we can say that the ultimate correct answer is option 4. So this is the correct answer. So with this, we complete the entire solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.